Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today we make comparison between heavy-duty and medium-duty conduit, explore the key differences, applications. These classifications, widely recognized in the Australian and New Zealand markets, are guided by the AS/NZS standards, a test procedures from AS/NZS 2053.1/2001 related to conduits and their resistance to compressions. Application of force according to the values in Table 1. Very light 125 Newton, light 320 Newton, medium 750 Newton, heavy 1250 Newton, very heavy 4000 Newton. Commonly used type is medium duty and heavy duty in Australian and New Zealand market. Medium duty conduit offers a balance between strength and flexibility, is lightweight and easy to handle. Heavy duty conduit is built for strength and durability. With its thicker walls, it provides excellent resistance to impacts, pressures, and harsh conditions. At Ctube, we provide a comprehensive range of heavy duty and medium duty conduit, such as PVC rigid conduit and flexible conduit. We also provide low-smoke halogen-free conduit and solar UPVC conduit. Our conduits feature high compression resistance and operate effectively across a wide temperature range of -15 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, -45 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius for low-smoke halogen-free material, making them suitable for diverse environments from extreme cold to high heat. Our conduits guarantees electrical safety by preventing the conduction of electric currents. It is specifically designed to endure prolonged outdoor exposures without degradation. Additionally, it is resistant to rust and chemical reactions, making it ideal for use in harsh environments. Available in various sizes and colors, our products cater to multiple applications while offering customization options to meet specific project requirements. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about our products, follow our channel or contact us directly. Good luck with your projects.